Guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. If you keep coming back, thank you. You are super valued and appreciated. Today is a simple video. I'm just going to share some items that are related to craft and crafting art that I received for the holiday. And then on Friday, I will be doing a video. Ideas for remembering, journaling special memories after the occasion is over. Because I don't know about you guys, but did any of you stop to journal in the middle of Christmas festivities? I didn't have time, and now New Year's is coming up, so that will be on Friday. And then on Monday, we're going to talk all about ideas how to create a vision journal. This is a new idea from last year. Also, I'm going to talk about a vision board as well, if you don't want to do a journal. And they're both going to be not what you see on other channels, sort of different. And we'll talk about other options as well. So that is your Friday and Monday coming up. But today, like I said, it's all about the crafting and art gifts I received. I needed a really quick video. Not that I want to slight you guys. And I'm sorry I didn't get it up yesterday, but we got back late. My husband was kind of out of it. I had to go pick up meds. It was crazy. And I had two paintings accepted into a show in the state of New York, and they need to go today. So after I film this real fast, I'm going to go get those with the wires, get those ready to go and take those. And then I have had another painting accepted into a show in Montana, and I need to get that ready to go for next week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm going to highlight some of the gifts I got that for Christmas that pertain to this channel. So let's just jump into it. Oh, and we aren't having a specific art video this week, but of course next Wednesday will be our more art-focused video, and then we'll go back, Monday is going to be paper crafting, Wednesday but more art-focused, and then Friday will go back to being more paper crafting focused. So let's jump into this. Okay guys, so you can't see me, but this is going to be the best way to shoot this. Oh, sorry. Okay, I got these beautiful they're called flower sack tea towels. They're just white tea towels that are really good for drying dishes. I'm going to split about half of them for my kitchen, and I'm going to embroidery on the other half, or paint, or do something with them. So I got those. And then more journal related, I got some craft paper tags, and I got 2 bags of just miscellaneous seam binding and that kind of thing, because we are going to be doing a vintage sewing journal in January. So I just received a bunch of vintage sewing, what you call notions, just bits and pieces. So I'm super excited about 2 very full quart-sized Ziplocs of vintage sewing seam bindings and other items. And then I also got some vintage needle books. And I collect these, but if I already have these, they will be going into our sewing journal. And I just think they're so beautiful inside. I've got that one. I'll show you these real quick. I got this one, which I think is so pretty. And if you hear Henry snoring, I'm sorry. He snores loud. I think he needs a CPAP, honestly. I got that one. And I got this one, which is different from this one. So I got those 2. So I'm super excited about those. And like I said, I'll see if they don't match. If they match something I already have, they'll go in the sewing journal. Next, I will show you, it's a travel paintbrush holder. It's really nice. It's fabric, as you can see, it holds a ton of paintbrushes. You just close it up. You can roll it up like that and tie it shut. The brushes don't fall out, and I love it. I got a bunch of inexpensive brushes that I like. So that's always good because sometimes I forget to wash them, and then I have the problem, of course, of them drying up, and I need new brushes. This is cool. It's not going to look like much, but it is a marker storage, so they're at an angle and dry out less or less frequently. I just have to put this together and find a spot for it. These are 2 watercolor travel cases. This is a small one. Flips out, and there's the pans in the center. They're held in electronically, and you can just snap in watercolors, or you could squeeze in a little acrylic paints. Close it up, and if you want to take a little one, or I got this one if I wanted to take a bigger one, same thing, only it doesn't have pans. You just squeeze it right in here, you mix in here, and it's a little bigger, and they both close. If I wanted to put pans in this one, I got a bunch of the little paint pans that hold the paint and some magnet, and you just put the magnet on the bottom, and these are metal, and they will stick to it and not slide all around. And then I also got different watercolor brushes. These hold water, and they're all different sizes. That way I don't have to worry about taking water with me. I can just take these brushes. Like I said, there's different sizes, and there's 6 of these. I got fake fruit for still life painting and decorating. I got a book light to help me see doing delicate work or just to make it brighter. And then I got some books. I got this Thomas Kincaid book. Beautiful art inside of it. I got this book, The Secret Lives of Color. This is a funny story. My mom gave me this book, and it's the second book in his biography. So I've ordered the first book, but it won't be here till the first week in January. So I'm going to read the first book when it comes, then I'll read this one, which is the second one. It's broken up to whenever he was born in 1975, and then this is 1975 to 2012. But David Hockney is one of my favorite artists ever. And then, let's see, where did it go? Oh. I got this book by Charles Reed, his Watercolor Secrets. Just beautiful watercolor paintings in there. Got that from my husband. Then I got a second Charles Reed book. I got this one. It's The Natural Way to Paint, and that is from my mom. Again, Charles Reed, both of these. If you haven't seen his work, look it up. It's watercolor, and it's very beautiful. And then I got this book. It's a vintage book. They shoved it in our mailbox and tore the cover. I'm so upset. But it's an Audubon book by John James Audubon. And it just has tons of images like that of animals, birds, everything. So it's a really cool book. And then I've read this book in book club in California. I loved it. I wanted to read it again, and I realized, I guess, when we were moving, I got donated it. So my husband got it again for me. I'm super excited. She's very strange artist, but I just love this book. She's very interesting at the same time. And I got a small desk easel for when I'm painting smaller paintings or my feet are hurting. I'm excited about this. And I'm really excited about this. This is a clay Sculpey beginning kit, and it's just going to be so much fun. I can't wait to get into it. I'm going to see. Let me get my glasses and I'll tell you what comes inside it. It's very heavy because, you know, it's clay. I don't know about you, but I always love to try new things. Okay, so it comes with a sponge for smoothing, varnish, white paint, 2 paintbrushes, pottery shaping tools and tool bag, step-by-step illustrated pottery guide and inspiration, and 2 packs of premium air dry clay. So you're not using a wheel, you're just going to use hand shaping, but isn't it cool? So I'm super excited about this. This was from my mama. So anyway, that was my very, very wonderful Christmas. I feel very, very blessed to have, this was, you know, from my family, my sister, my brother, my husband, and my mama. And this was the first Christmas without my daddy, which was very difficult. And again, I feel very blessed to have all of them. I also received a little bit of money, which I have bought some clearance items from Blick, and I will be sharing those with you next week on our Wednesday art video. And of course, we're going to be trying everything out, whether it's in our vintage sewing journal or new art techniques, whatever. Of course, I will bring you along. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday. If you don't celebrate, I just hope you have had an amazing weekend. I hope you're staying warm if it's cold where you are, and if it's warm, I hope you're staying cool. I will see you on Friday, guys. Take care and always be safe. Bye-bye.